In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Excel as the default app for opening .csv files on your Windows computer. This is a handy tip if you often work with spreadsheet data and prefer using Excel for its advanced features and familiar interface. First, head over to your Windows search bar. You can find this by clicking on the magnifying glass icon typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen on the taskbar. Once you've got the search bar open, type in Default Apps and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will direct you to the Default Apps Settings page, where you can configure which applications open certain types of files by default. Next, before proceeding, you'll want to ensure you have sufficient privileges to make changes. Since modifying default app settings might require administrative permissions, right-click on the Default Apps option and select Run as Administrator. This step ensures that you won't run into any roadblocks while making the necessary adjustments. Now that you've navigated to the settings as an administrator, search for Excel within the Default Apps menu. This might be necessary if Excel isn't readily visible under the default app choices. Once you've found Excel, go ahead and click on it. This selection will open a pop-up window where further customization can be done. Imagine for a moment that you're specifically setting up .csv files to always open with Excel. In the pop-up window, scroll until you find the .csv file extension. Selecting this extension will prompt a list of available apps that can open .csv files. Here you'll see multiple options based on your installed apps, Excel being one of them. Your next move is to click Excel within this list. It's important to ensure you've chosen the correct file extension that you intend to automatically open using Excel. Once you've clicked on Excel, go ahead and click Set as Default. This step will solidify your choice so that every time you open a .csv file, it will seamlessly launch in Excel, ready for you to work on with its rich set of functionalities. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully set Excel as the default program for .csv files on your computer. From now on, anytime you need to access a .csv file, Excel will be your go-to app, streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. It's these small, efficient adjustments that make working with technology a breeze. Don't forget to test your new settings by opening a .csv file to see your work in action. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.